Improvements in an organization become much easier to see the impact when they are documented and shared with the entire organization or the relevant stakeholders. A visual organization is one where everything is visual. People need to be able to see and understand what is happening around them at a simple glance. Let's take, for example, a machine that breaks down. Nobody would see that help is needed on the machine if there was no signal. Likewise, it would be easier to see that help is needed on a line that has an on-on light. On-on is a Japanese term that refers to a system of notification which is widely used today. One of the most powerful visual systems used today is the 5S system. The 5S system is a visual workplace management system that promotes safety, efficiency, and teamwork while making abnormalities visible. The system is often confused as a cleaning method. However, the purpose of 5S is in fact to eliminate waste and to create a safe working environment that supports TPM. The 5 major stages of the 5S system are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Creating a visual organization and implementation of visual systems like 5S can really add to the impact that your pull system will create. With this in mind, operators must be empowered and have full authority to freely implement these systems as well as use them. They should also have access and authority to stop lines and use tools like ondons and other sensory devices that help draw attention or stop lines when issues arise. We'll see you in the next lecture.